Welcome back to another intense courtroom moment, and today, things are about to get messy. We've got a defendant, Mr. Mack, who just can't seem to get his drug patch situation straight. Multiple testing centers, missing patches, and one very frustrated judge. Is this a simple misunderstanding? Or a clever game of cat and mouse with the system? Let's dive into this heated exchange that has everyone, including the judge, at their breaking point.
Clause number, I don't even know, your Tasia 1 Mac? Mr. Mack, we've had issues with you and your drug patch now. I can't even tell you how many times, countless number of times. You were here not that long ago. Hold on. You were here. I told you last time you were here that I didn't care what it took for you to have a testable patch on when you went back to have it tested. I got an email from Johnny's Auto dated last Thursday, the 25th, where it says you came in without a testable patch on, you claim it fell off, they put a new one on you, and they will update us. So you went in without a testable patch last week, is that right?
No, ma'am. I'm not even with Johnny's no more. I get my patch from Al Reed.
They test you, Al Reed tested you?
Yeah.
So you didn't go to Johnny's?
Oh.
When did you go to Al
Do you
Reed?
want me to call Al Reed?
Call Al Reed and call Johnny's too. Why would they send us an email that says, do you have a patch on right now? When did you get it?
Thursday? Friday?
Okay, from where?
Al Reed.
From his office?
Yes, ma'am.
Aren't they in the same building?
Or he might, because Al probably uses Johnny's. Did you have a patch on when you went to see Al Reed last week?
Answer this. Al.
Answer yes or no. Are you, tell me the truth, because we're going to get to the bottom of it right now. You had a testable patch on last week.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you had a patch on. I don't know if it's testable or not.
I gave it to him to test, so yeah.
Did they take it off your arm,
Yes, ma'am.
or you handed it to them?
No, they said it like I feel it and she get the little tweezers and she take it right.
That happened last Thursday.
Yes, ma'am. I owe Johnny some money from my previous batch.
What?
I owe Johnny some money.
Okay, but that's not what they're saying, so I need to find out why they're saying specifically with regard to you that you went in without a patch on.
Did you check with probation?
Probation doesn't have anything to do with it.
This is where the courtroom tension starts to rise. The judge is clearly losing patience, and there is a reason for it. Drug patch compliance is very important for anyone on bond or probation. Missing, untestable, or tampered patches can point to drug use or attempts to avoid testing. But there is something else to notice. Even the defense seems unsure because of mixed information from two testing places, Johnny's Auto and Al Reed. This brings up a serious question. Is Mr. Mack being dishonest, or is the system failing to track him correctly? What do you think? Is this carelessness or manipulation? Asterisk, asterisk.
I figured drug testing in court.
I'm tired of doing that. It's what I've done every time we've been here. I'm not going to keep doing that. We're going to either have patches that work or he keeps on or not. I just got to see why they sent this email. All right, we got to get our jury seated. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let Anna work on figuring this out with talking to Johnny's and Al Reed. I'm going to have you guys back here. Plan on being back this coming Monday. I'm going to reset it to Monday. If it gets worked out and I don't need y'all here, we'll send you a new reset for a different day. But plan on being back in 1 week, and that way, if something happens, we'll figure it out. But we're going to talk to Johnny's. We're going to talk to Al Reed.
I could just wait. Wait.
I got to get a jury seated. We're already at 2 o'clock, and I've had a jury waiting for an hour. So,
Johnny's, the bondsman said they've been putting it on him since August 25th. I
Okay.
talked to Johnny.
Call
What's the
Johnny's.
date on that?
That's all right. All right, y'all can go. We'll send you a reset. It was last week. I said 9:25. All right, y'all can go. Okay, so Mr. Mack, after trying to figure out what was going on, and my clerk and I talking to everyone, figuring out what's going on, here's what I think we figured out. We know what you're doing. So you're getting a patch from Johnny's or from Al Reed on the same day and going in with a clean one to get tested. Why are you getting patches at two places?
To explain to her what we talked about in private.
I got 2 patches because I thought Al Reed patch was for Al Reed and Johnny's was for you.
He's on bond with Ellery.
Yeah.
So did Al Reed tell you you had to have a patch?
Yes, ma'am. They gave me a patch before I was even released.
So you're not showing up anywhere with 2 patches on though. So if you have 2 patches, if you're getting 2 patches, you should have 2 patches on, right? How many patches do you have right now?
1.
Okay, so whose do you have on?
Al Reed.
So what about Johnny's?
I'll stop getting Johnny's because Al Reed told me I didn't have to get him anymore.
He seemed to indicate that the quality of the patch from Johnny's is different than the quality of the patch from Al Reed's, and the difficulties he was experiencing with the patch from Johnny's was because it was an inferior quality patch and came off.
So when did you get that patch? Do we know? Let me see.
I get it changed on the 7th, so 24th, 25th.
So you got a patch put on the 25th from Johnny's also.
No, I paid them for an old patch on the 25th.
They specifically put a date down that says, these are the dates that he has come into our office and have patches put on. And the 25th of September is one of those dates for Johnny's.
Okay.
Did they put one on or not on the 25th of Johnny's? I understand it says that, Your Honor. I don't know that they actually did that. That's my point.
Well, they've got receipts, they've sent receipts, we've got serial numbers, we've got all of that information now.
Without them available for cross-examination, I'm not conceding, I don't know if they did or not, is my point, when they actually put one on.
This is more available for me to contact.
I'll take a drug test. I don't do any drugs, man.
Well, I guess
This is where everything starts to fall apart. The judge connects the dots. 2 testing centers, 2 patches, 1 defendant, but nothing matches up. Even with receipts and serial numbers, the story still does not make sense. Now both sides, the court and the defense, are losing trust in the process. This is a clear example of credibility breaking down in real time. When a defendant's words do not match the official reports, it does more than frustrate the court. It destroys trust. And trust means everything in sentencing and probation. If you were the judge, would you believe Mr. Mack? Asterisk. Asterisk.
I don't understand, Mr. Mack. You've tested negative, I get in court, but I feel like there is something going on that doesn't make sense. And I feel like you're playing games.
Your Honor, in all due respect, it may not be him, it may be Johnny's. That's my point. I mean, the assumption seems to be it's the defendant's fault. And without having them available, I'm not conceding that there may be something, the problem may reside with Johnny's and not the defendant. I'm not making an allegation of that, but that needs to be ruled out. Because he doesn't seem to be having problems with Al Reed doing the drug test.
Well, there haven't been issues with Johnny's other than some untestable patches that came in untestable.
That's my point. The quality of the patch itself from Johnny's is probably.
I don't understand why he got 2 patches on the same day from 2 different places.
I don't know that Johnny's actually put a patch on. He paid them on the 25th. He went in and made a, they're telling him he owes them money, so he's going in.
Right, you're all caught up. They've already said he's all caught up. But they specifically said they put a patch on and they're willing to. And they went back and checked serial numbers and sent us this information. So
I guess I don't understand why Al Reed's not having the same or similar problems with him.
Because he just started with Al Reed, and he's doing both, and there's something going on. And I'm tired, I'm tired, I mean, I'm just tired of dealing with it.
I am too, Your Honor. It seems like I'm spending more time with this case with the drug patch as opposed to the case itself.
I'm spending more time with the drug Ms. Werner spent more time with this, and the only way here's where I am, is the only way I know to make sure that there's not games being played is to put him in jail, because I feel like he's playing games. But, I mean, you've got a patch on, I don't understand.
You could just try the case, Your Honor. It would be the solution if you could get it tried.
Well, it's not on put it on the trial docket. It is?
I think it was.
Well, I mean, we'll get it tried on the trial date.
It's Mr. Coleman's case. I believe it was set for trial a week or two ago, Your Honor.
Wasn't reached.
Yes, and it didn't get reached.
Okay, yeah.
I think it was numbered.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Here's what I want.
In the end, the judge takes control and orders a hair follicle test. It is one of the most accurate drug tests available. This matters because patch tests can fall off or be tampered with. But hair tests show drug use over a much longer time, up to 90 days. The message is clear. The court is done playing games. Mr. Mack must prove he is clean or face serious consequences. This case shows what happens when the justice system's patience finally runs out. Was the judge being fair or too harsh? If you found this case as interesting as we did, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more courtroom stories. ****